Today we are going to dive into an exciting topic, the alphabet in cybersecurity. This is a unique way to understand various terms and concepts in the field of cybersecurity from A to Z. So let's get started. This video can be a great starting point for you to understand career in cybersecurity, understand the concept and fundamental of cybersecurity. Hereby, I will introduce all important concepts that you need. So stay with me till the end. You are going to learn a lot. I will going to explain each and every concept or most of the concept of cybersecurity in alphabetical order. So first is authentication. Let's understand what is authentication. When you are going to log in your Insta account, what you must first do, you just provide the username and password to your Insta account. What and the Meta verify just that the username and password combination is correct before granting access of your account to you. So authentication is the process of verifying the identity of a user, device or system. It's like a digital handshake that ensures you who are going to claim the account. Next is botnet. So what is botnet? It's a kind of a small remote robot that can be your phone or laptop. The attacker group wants to that who wants to perform DDoS attack. They need a lot of device to perform attack. You're just hack. They just hack your device and your device work as a botnet for them. So botnet is a network compromise controlled as a malicious actor. These can be used to carry out attacks and spam email or steal data. Next is cryptography. So what is cryptography? It's a technique to secure information via obfuscation or encryption. Like you want to send someone information to someone and want to ensure that no one can access it in the way, and you lock that information in a briefcase with a key. Another person whom you want to pass on that information that have access to unlock that briefcase. So this is the concept of cryptography. Cryptography is the practice of securing communication and data in the presence of adversaries. It's the art of writing or solving code. Next is DDoS attack. So let's understand this. Take an example of Zomato application. Zomato application have server that can handle request. So let's say that can handle request at a time 100. And what we do, we just send 1000 requests at a time. What will happen? Server is going to crash. So this is the concept of DDoS attack. DDoS is a sort of denial of service. This is an attack that overwhelms the system traffic, causing it become inaccessible to the user for a particular time of period. Till then, they can manage it. Encryption. What is encryption? It's a cryptography technique. What we do in this, we just transform readable data into an unreadable format. So if someone try to read their data, they can't read, they cannot understand. So encryption is like a special code that keep secret things secret. Where we want to send a message, we use encryption. Okay, this one. Next is firewall. In organization, we have network security system to secure our network, and firewall is a network security device to filter out incoming and outgoing data. A firewall is a network security that monitor, control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. So here we write some rules to secure our network, set which kind of site we can access and which kind of user can access our site. So this is next is gateway. So what is gateway? In cybersecurity, gateway is a network point that act as an entrance to another network. Like the internet gateway provide you functionality to connect with the internet. Next one, honeypot. So what is honeypot? A honeypot is a trap set up by a computer expert to catch bad people who try to do bad things on the internet. We just made this trap to understand the technique of attacker, what they use, so that we can secure our software. Next is incident response. So our incident responder is someone who examine the incident. If there is any security breach or alert happen in the organization, he just examine. So there is a team in cybersecurity for this incident response. Next is JavaScript injection. JavaScript injection is a type of attack where attack inject malicious script into trusted website and exploit the website. This is JavaScript injection. Next we understand keylogger. A keylogger is a type of computer program that can stealthily record everything that you type on your computer, on your phone, often used by attacker to steal password or other sensitive information. If a keylogger is installed in your device, it can track your key record and set and attacker information. They are going to hack your account. Logic bomb. It's a piece of code intentionally inserted into software to execute malicious function. When certain conditions are met, it can't do anything until the certain conditions are met. So this is logic bomb. Next is malware. What is malware? Malware is a kind of bad software that can perform various bad things on your system, like additional stealing, remotely control your device. So stay secure with malware. Next is network security is nothing but is a technique to secure our network so no one can breach our security. Next is oversharing. What is oversharing? Oversharing when someone someone tell more information about themselves online than they should. Like you can see on social media, person sharing lot of personal information that can be used to perform attack. Next is phishing. What is phishing? Attacker just send you a email looks like a legit and they said your insta account compromised, just change your password or verify and give a link to you. You just click on link and you see the insta page and try to configure your account and they just steal you, they just fish you. Next is quantum computer. In cybersecurity, quantum computer is used to break the complex password in a very short time. Next is ransomware. What is ransomware? Ransomware is a type of malware. It's a computer program that can encrypt your old data or file, है ना? And then ask for money to decrypt your file. What is next? Next is social engineering. Social engineering kind of phishing. It's the art of manipulating people into revealing confidential information. Watch out the smooth talking cyber trick. This kind of phishing. Next is Trojan. What is Trojan? Trojan is a computer program that looks legitimate and can take over your computer control to do bad things. It's another kind of malware. What is next? Next is user access control. Like a gatekeeper, it's like a gatekeeper of your operating system, promoting you for permission when you are about to make changes and could affect your system. So that is user access control. Vulnerability assessment. What is vulnerability assessment? It's a process of identify weakness in your system before the bad guys do. So like if we have weakness in our software, just we need to secure them. This is the practice of do two things. Wi-Fi security. What is Wi-Fi security? Remember, your Wi-Fi wireless network can be weak link to secure it with a strong password and encryption. Exploit. An exploit is a hole in your computer device that help a cyber criminal to get into it, infect it with a bad program, and tell your device to do without your permission. So hacker can exploit your device and use that device to do bad things. And another one is Yara rule. Here in organization, we use Yara rule to analyze the malware, to identify malware. Here we write some custom rule. Based on that, we just verify it's a malicious software or not. Okay, so these are Yara rule. Next is zero day attack. What is zero day attack? It's an attack that exploit a previously unknown vulnerability, meaning there are 0 day awareness about to defend against it. Like I will explain you in detail. uh, Here we explain malware. What is malware? Malware is a bad software that can do bad things. So when malware comes with us, so what we does, just we analyze that malware and determine this for whole over the world, and all your antivirus just detect it, it's a malware if you now going to download it, and this is just quarantine and remove from your system. But if there is a new malware that come to the market and it's a new and it haven't any detection, so what is called, it is 0 day malware, 0 day payload. when attacker or when hacker wants to exploit your system or wants to hack your system, they just made a payload, and then the payload is called 0-day payload if it doesn't have any detection based on signature, based on antivirus, or based on our detection. So this is 0-day attack. Okay, so here we introduce some important uh, terms and functionality of cybersecurity. So please remember it. You will going to learn almost 50% of concept of cybersecurity in a single 15 minutes video. So just stay with me. In future, I will going to make video on uh, I'm going to create a cybersecurity series in which I explain lot of things related to cybersecurity, and the another series would be a malware analysis series where I going to perform malware analysis on top sample or top campaign which are going. So thank you.